Hey everybody out there on YouTube, my name is Evan, and today I'm going to show you a little bit about this particular it's called a D5 Plus by Chauvet, and this is actually for wireless DMX. I have a few of them right here. I have a few of them. And I don't really use them actually very much anymore. But this one had a problem with it. Now, you may be thinking to yourself, this video doesn't look too good. I'm actually a videographer. Well, that's part of what I do. I do professional videography. But I'm trying out this little camera that I have. It's a Kodak. It's called a Kodak EasyShare Z1485IS. And I'm checking out to see whether or not this thing actually has decent video. It seems like it has decent video from what I've seen so far. But anyway, so today I'm going to show you a little bit of something um, that I think people should kind of look at. And hang on one second here. Okay, so this one always had problems, and whenever I was this is actually the AC adapter or DC adapter for it, and whenever I plug it in, it would work fine. The display would turn on and everything, but if I barely move this side to side, then it would flicker on and off. And then at that point, I realized that it was a power issue, because when you have something like that when you move something or when you tap on something, usually it has something to do with your power issue. Okay, your power problem. In fact, I'm fixing a laser right now that has that same issue. Um, this power this power socket right here was having some problems. Whenever I'd touch it, the laser would turn on and off. So that's something to consider. Like if you're having problems with your electronic parts, everything is different, by the way, but usually it's your power problem. It's a power connection, like our socket, and it's actually this is the problem with it. This actually goes into this spot right here. In fact, I'm going to put it in and show you exactly what's going on with it. Alright, so that's inputted there. Okay, and so I went ahead and also plugged this in. This is actually the cable, the adapter for it and everything. So see, that's now plugged in on the PCB. Um, and I'm going to show you exactly what it does. I'm going to go ahead and flip this on right here. And you see, it actually comes on. It's fine, but you barely touch this thing back and forth. You move it back and forth, it'll turn off. Turns off. See how it turns off? And it'll turn back on. See, that's not what you want going on. And see, I'm barely just turning that, just barely messing with it. So, after kind of looking at everything, I can deduce that that's where the problem is. Now, some people might get on eBay and just be like, oh man, I'm just going to sell this thing. It's a piece of shit, whatever. And, they take a major hit by selling an electronics piece of electronics that can actually be very easily fixed. Now, these little things, they're about 50 cents. So, I'm not like a big old environmental freak or anything like that, but I mean, don't throw this kind of stuff away. You can easily fix this stuff on your own. All it is a couple of soldering points. Uh, Now, I'm not recommending anybody to do that unless you have some sort of experience with electronic parts. Some of these capacitors right here, like especially if they're big, can have a high voltage, and it can retain a voltage even after the equipment is turned off, and you can get a pretty nasty shock. So I'm going to be changing this out. This is 11.5. Um, the size of this is 11.5, the mounting size, and it's a 2.1 by 5.5 millimeter DC power socket. It's a round mount style, so I'm going to change that out, and this thing will be like brand new. So if y'all enjoyed, please like. Y'all take care. Have a good day.